Here's how you can enter into developer options for Xiaomi phones with Android 15. And let's get started. Once you're ready to do this, go ahead and look for the settings here. And if you don't see it, use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here, this one right here. Once you're in this section here, you're going to go to where it says My Device, this right there. As you enter here, you're going to see where it says OS version, that down there to the bottom. When you see it, you'll tap on it 7 times. And if for some reason your phone doesn't show it there, you can also go to where it says detailed info and specs. So as you go into here, you can also see the OS version here as well. So either way will allow you to go into developer options if you tap on it 7 times. So I'll go ahead and do that for you so you can see what's going to happen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to tell you how many more steps left. And then 7 makes it this here. So it's going to tell you you're now in developer options here. If you just so happen to have your lock screen set up already, it will prompt you to put in your PIN or password. So just go ahead and do that, and then it'll take you back to the screen here. Now that you've done that, come out of here and use the search settings as the fastest way to find developer options. So once you go here, just start typing in the words developer and options, and you'll see the suggestion. You want to tap on the first one, and that's going to take you straight to it. And that's it. Once you're done with whatever you want to do, make sure you turn it off and like and sub.